Hello everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm highlighting a new arrival to the dealership, stock number CP17034T. It is a used 2022 Ram ProMaster. This is on the 2500 chassis, 159-inch wheelbase. Got the gray exterior, fog lamps down low, 17-inch steel wheels. You got your nice big running board, privacy glass all around back. It does have a class 4 tow hitch, 4 7-pin wiring harness, rear backup camera, backup sensors down low, and this does have a ramp in the rear for a few different purposes. You could use this as a wheelchair van, which is the main use for it, but this van's a little different. So you got your aluminum ramp right here. This does not have the self-lowering where the rear of the van will lower and raise. It stays in the position it's at, but you got a 1,000-pound weight rating here. You can pull it up in here, and it does have the smart floor. So these seats you can actually relocate. You can put them anywhere you want, take them out, but as it sits you can put a couple wheelchairs in here. And it has the Q-strength tie downs in here, which you can move them anywhere on this track. It does have a separate rear HVAC heating and cooling system. So you can see here some of the vents for that. And these jump seats that are in here are really nice jump seats, if you can tell here in the picture. Up front you got your 10-point-inch Uconnect touchscreen radio, has navigation, Sirius XM satellite radio, your HVAC controls, wireless phone dock, cup holders, a wall outlet, USB and USB-C outlets, power supply, storage area. Does have an aftermarket trailer brake control on it, cruise control, Bluetooth on your steering wheel for hands-free phone calls, power mirrors, windows, and locks. Van has, if you can see there, 28,984 miles on it. You also have some overhead storage, large sliding side door. You can see here, get a nice view. This is a front-wheel drive van, so the rear floor is naturally lower, so it's much easier to get into than most vans, which in turn makes that ceiling much higher. So you get 6'2" standing height inside of there, so you can stand right up. This van could be used for wheelchairs. You could use it for the whole dirt bike, motorcycle, whatever. Cargo, you could really, there's multiple purposes this van could be used for. Again, we're looking at stock number CP17034T. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio, or you can give me a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129, or you can visit us online at paulsherryconversionvans.com. Thanks for watching.